Koche kasi. Ready.
Okay, push
Shaper,
Shaper.
Ready?
Ready ah? You guys good? You guys good? Are you guys good? Are
Yes,
you guys
yes.
Guys? Okay, go.
He'll keep.
I'm good, I'm good. I should be good. I should be good. Get out ko na. Get out ko na.
Kill niya si ano?
Shallow on gate. Everyone, shallow on gate. Shallow on gate. 3, 2, 1. Shallow on gate. Shallow gate. Shallow gate. Shallow gate. Shallow gate. Can we kill that? Can we kill that? Go back.
Oh, no. Hindi enough.
Kulang tayo ng dito. Kulang tayo ng dito. 5. Shaper stock. Shaper.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Yeah, anyway.
Okay, that's okay, bro.
Grabe yung reaction time yan.
Grabe nga eh. Naloot ko yun.
Ready.
Ready.
Pwede ba siya mag-counter?
Oo, bino mo yung bodon na yun. Ay, yung ano na yun? Longbow. Lamlam ba yun?
Yeah, he one shot Rafael.
Ang ina, daming Zerg pre. Mapa southwest, northeast. Ang ina, meron eh.
Shaper.
Di mo mas bobo ka. May nakadingin mo ka.
Bro, he's so fucking stupid, bro. What the
Oh
fuck?
my god, hindi siya nagdi. Oh my god, fuck
Oh,
that
bro,
nigga.
I will flip that fucking shit, bro.
Walk up.
Oh my god.
Okay,
Walk up. Miss jacket, northwest. Shallow lang. On top me na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back. Run now. Run. Gig.
no.
Run ba?
No.
Hindi. Get out castle.
Kala ko run eh. Uwi na ako.
Shaper.
Layo kayo dyan. Green siya ng shaper.
Tell me when you have E.
Ready?
Ready.
Longbow ready.
Okay.
No jacket.
Di enough yung first natin. Nagtapakan yun.
Hindi, enough yan. T-tanks lang hinihit.
Hindi tank.
Kamis. Pull out mo na.
What's out ba?
Pull out mo.
Pinata mo na.
Mount up. Hindi kaya. Naka-farm na.
Okay, basag na nga yung gate eh. Lumalabas nga sila eh.
Kulang tayo
Fighting pa
ng...
naman yung CMCC sa ano, Southwest.
Hindi, ano yung cheater bomb lang.
Hindi, at least
It's gonna be...
nakakaano sila. Tulong sila kahit paano kay cheat up sila.
Oh my god, we're losing.
Ano to, regroup o demas?
Hindi. Going somewhere else. Come notice.
Huh?
What the
Right ko,
fuck?
ayaw na.
What the fuck?
Come notice. Hindi, lipat mo na ng objective. Hindi kaya. Hindi natin maano. Kailangan kasi, ang gagawin doon, yung main Zerg, kayang i-delete yung D-tank sa harap.
We got the passes.
Yeah,
We got the drop.
the main Zerg can't delete anything.
Yeah. They can't fucking dot the fucking shaper too.
Pinapatay na yung cheater bomb.